Okay students, today we will do tips and tricks. Yes, tips and tricks part 2. Why I am saying here part 2? Because in the last session also we have discussed some of the tips and tricks, isn't it? So here I am again with some other tips and tricks. Fine. So trick number 3. How to open two applications together without minimizing any one of them. Now students, minimizing any one of them means I want to say that how to open two of the application in the same screen. One desktop, two applications are opened. Okay, so how to do that? If we have to open the second application, first application automatically it minimize, yes or no? So how to open both the screen together? So that is the next trick. So let's get started. So students, suppose you want to write something in Microsoft Word, but you want to see and write from another document already saved in the computer. So how you will open both the windows in the same screen? So let's see. Here I have opened Microsoft Word. Okay, I will write here. So I have opened this Microsoft Word. Now I will open the next document from where I want to see and write. So this is one PowerPoint application has saved in my desktop. So I'm opening this. Okay, this is school management, something done by someone else. So this one oh no, this one done by me anyway. So I have opened this document also. Now from this document I will see and I will write in Microsoft Word. But for that purpose, what to do? Right click in the taskbar, okay, then click on Cascading Windows. Fine, then you will see it has minimized, but then also we can drag and resize its shape. Okay, see, we can resize the shape how we want to make it. Done. So this is first I have taken out the PowerPoint and it's ready. Now next I'll do the same thing for the application Microsoft Word. So Microsoft Word open, again go to the taskbar and click on Cascading Windows. See, both the screens are both the applications are on the same screen now. Okay, and we can put both the applications now side by side and can see from one document and write in the another. All right, so this is how. See, I am looking here from here today's world and I'll now write and show you in the next document. So both are active, both the screens are active. Alright, see, I'm writing today's world and also both the screens are active. So trick number 4. How to lock and unlock the keyboard. Now students, sometimes we need to lock our keyboard. Yes, suppose there you have your younger brothers and sisters and you do not want them to use your keyboard, isn't it? So as they don't know and they may spoil it, so you just don't want to let them use your keyboard. So what you can do, you can lock your keyboard and afterwards unlock it. But how? Let us learn. Okay students, so now I will show you how to lock your keyboard. But before that, I am here opening Microsoft Word just to show you that my keyboard is working. Okay, I'm tapping here, also making the font bigger to show you that my keyboard is absolutely okay, in a good state. Okay, so there should be no any doubt in your mind that my keyboard is not working. Fine. Now how to lock your keyboard. To lock your keyboard, you have to see, this is the shift key and you have to press this shift key for 8 seconds. You have to keep it pressing for 8 seconds. Okay, remember, you do not have to leave it or do not have to press it 8 times. Once you press and leave it for 8 seconds, so after 8 seconds you have to wait for 8 seconds, and after 8 seconds you leave your finger, you take out your finger, and your computer screen you will see a notification. Okay, so in the notification you just have to click on yes, and after that you can try typing or using your keyboard, and you will see that you can't do that. It's only because you have just now locked your keyboard. Okay, now next task is to unlock your keyboard. Okay, so how to do that? We will do the same, we will follow the same steps to unlock the keyboard. Okay, so again we have to keep pressing the shift key for 8 seconds and you will hear sound. Okay, 8 sound you will hear and you have to keep it pressing, and at last you will hear a bigger sound like beeping sound. Okay, then you have to remove your finger. Now your keyboard is unlocked and you will be able to use your keyboard. All right, students. Trick number 5. How to bring back the classic start menu in Windows 8 or 10. So students, it will be very much fun here. Why? Because in Windows 8 we have seen the start menu. It's very much different, isn't it? But today, now here we will bringing back the classic Windows menu that we used to use with Windows XP or Windows 7. Okay, so we can do it in Windows 10 or Windows 8. Fine. So let's see how to do. Okay students, so now I'll show you something else, something extra that is not given in your book, but I thought that if I show you, it might help you, or just it will be a fun, or it may increase your knowledge, isn't it? So let's get started. Let's see what is the next trick. So student, this is my laptop. Just ignore the desktop. So many icons are there, so ignore the desktop, but this is my interface, my desktop of Windows 8.1. So students, we know that in Windows 8.1 the search bar we will get in the side, and if we click on this start button, Windows button, this screen comes, isn't it? So I want to bring here the classic start button, that start window that came, that used to come. So I want to bring that. So how to do that? So there is also a trick. Fine. So for that you need internet connection. So I'm here opening my browser, and in the browser I want to open Google, and in the Google I'll write classic shell. So I'm writing here classic, SHELL, classic shell, and I will just hit the enter button. Okay, now let's see here, number 1 or number 2, both you can select, but I'll go to number 2, which will directly take me to the download option. Okay, so I'm selecting the second link, clicking there, and then we can see here classic shell 4.3.1, English and all. So I want English, yes, isn't it? Yes, of course we want English. So I'm clicking here classic shell 4.3.1 English. Okay, so this is the next screen which you have to download. Okay, I'll have to click here in the download button, click. See, in the side here in the corner is showing that it is getting downloaded. So now let us wait to open these. Right click. Okay, and this one. So now we have to just click on next, accept, then next, install. Okay, after that, yes, done. Now click on finish. Now let us see, is it working for us or not? Let us start. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so there is another option for you which we have to select. We want classic one, classic with 2 columns or window style, and also we can replace the start button with the customized one. So I will also do this. I just want to do this, replace the start button. Okay, so you can see in the corner it has already changed. So you can customize, you can give your own picture. So I'll try to give a picture. So I have a picture, I guess, here. You can give anything. I have a MVM logo here, so I'll try to give this MVM logo. You can give anything else, okay, to show you I'm giving this logo. And then okay, done. Now I will see. Yes, it's coming. See, it's coming, and it's very, very, very interesting and fun to do such tasks, isn't it? So with this, I'm ending the class today. Hope you enjoyed a lot, and you got to learn a lot of things. Okay, bye bye.